Well, here we are. My last day off this weekend, and it's a lovely day. We've had a lot of rain. I've been able to get the awning away, so it's packed in. It's packed away, and it's in the shower room at the moment. But I'm going to just unplug this now. So I lost my last Insta 360 in the water, as I said. However, this one, I bought a new one because this one had real bad scratches on the lens here, and a bit on this one here as well. However, I bought a new polisher, battery polisher, and some T-cut, and you know what? It brought the proper scratches out, and it's working perfectly again. So I just bought a new SD card, and it's working again. Anyway, it's time to get outside. Hope you're all keeping okay. But look at this. Outside. Beautiful. Forgot my keys. Checking. Double check. So, let's put this down here. I'm not sure how this is going to work here. Whether it's going to stay on. That's not very good on there. That's not great on there. Maybe you're right there. So let's see if that'll stay on. I'm not sure it will, to be honest. I'm always a bit suspicious about things. Let's just lock this up. Yeah. So that's on there. I'm not sure that's going to be great on there, to be honest. I think it's probably better off I think just take this off. And put the camera on here. So that's okay on there. So I'll leave the camera on there. But yeah, look at it. Beautiful day. Not sure where I'm going yet. I think it's going to be St Mawes. I want to do a bit of drone today because I've not done any at St Mawes. It's a perfect day to do it before the winter set, or the spring, before autumn sets in. But look. So awnings away. Going to Dornafield on Thursday. Van needs to clean again. So let's get going. Hiya. Hi. People think I'm talking to myself. She smiled. So the police have just come on site. So I think they're coming to have a look what I'm doing. Maybe, maybe not. As I come for the park up. I don't know. We'll have to see. So, charging the batteries up. All downloading at the moment, so that's looking good. Still hasn't downloaded. So I'm downloading 3 lots of footage on here. So let me to download that one. And that one's doing it as well. Okay. So we're trying to download, but at the moment I'm trying to charge the battery up as well. They were charged up last week, but because it's been in the car in the cold, they've lost a bit of charge. So now I got them in the car charging up here. Got that charging up the handset and a couple of the batteries there. They are. But what a lovely day. I mean, look at that. I'm not sure if you can see down here. Not sure if you can see down here, but we'll have a walk. Absolutely stunning day. Even the bobbies need a break. Even the bobbies need a break. They do. But look at this. Look at this view. How good is that? Little beach there. But look at that. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So there's St Mawes Castle, English Heritage Castle there. And there, over there is St Anthony's Lighthouse, just over there. But beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure you can see that as much as I can here. Yeah, lovely. And we're parked over there. Just waiting for the batteries to charge up. Anyway, there's the castle over there. Not sure I can zoom in on there. There you are. Zoom in over there. Look at that. The seagulls getting me shot. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I wasn't sure. Try to get the camera right. I wasn't sure if the cops were coming to see me about my drone. Just wanted to report it, but they haven't. And to be honest, if you look what I am, I'm totally away from everybody. I got my drone mat out, got my license on the side of the drone, and I don't fly it when there's people nearby. So like, anytime someone's walking up and down this path like they are now, I wouldn't fly it. So yeah, and I got the 360 on there for when it takes off. Look at that.